In today's consumer-driven world, businesses strive to provide excellent customer experiences. To achieve this, many companies turn to mystery shopping companies like Realty Based Group. In this video, we will delve into the world of mystery shopping companies, specifically focusing on Realty Based Group. We will explore what they do and shed light on their payment process, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of their operations. Realty Based Group is a renowned mystery shopping company that specializes in helping businesses evaluate and improve their customer service. They work with a network of mystery shoppers who are carefully selected and trained to assess various aspects of the customer experience. These mystery shoppers visit businesses undercover, posing as regular customers, and provide valuable feedback on their interactions, the quality of service, and overall customer satisfaction. Before moving forward, I invite you to join our growing community to get support and information about mystery shopping. Please share our channel with others still unsure about mystery shopping. One of the key concerns for anyone considering becoming a mystery shopper is the payment process. Realty Based Group understands the importance of compensating their shoppers fairly and promptly. They have a well-established payment system in place, ensuring that shoppers receive their payments in a timely manner. Payments for mystery shopping assignments typically vary based on factors such as the complexity of the assignment, the time required, and any additional expenses incurred. Realty Based Group provides transparency in their payment structure, clearly outlining the compensation for each assignment before shoppers accept them. This allows shoppers to make informed decisions based on the time commitment and pay rate. Once a mystery shopping assignment is completed and the shopper submits their report, Realty Based Group reviews the report and verifies its accuracy. After the report is approved, the shopper receives their payment. The payment process is typically done electronically, either through direct deposit or via PayPal. This ensures convenience and security for the shoppers, eliminating any concerns about delayed or lost payments. Payments go like this. Via direct deposit. Once submitted, you will be paid on the 10th of the month following the date of shop submission. Meaning, if your shop is submitted any day in June, you will be paid on the 10th of July. Via PayPal. Once submitted, you will be paid on the 20th of the month following the date of shop submission. Meaning, if your shop is submitted any day in June, you will be paid on the 20th of July. I can only assume PayPal is 10 extra days due to their processing and other things we can't control. Mystery shopping companies like Realty Based Group play a vital role in helping businesses enhance their customer service. By providing valuable insights and feedback, they enable companies to identify areas of improvement and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Realty Based Group stands out as a reputable company in the industry, offering fair compensation and a streamlined payment process for their mystery shoppers. So, whether you're considering becoming a mystery shopper or simply curious about how these companies operate, Realty Based Group is definitely worth exploring. Remember, the next time you encounter an exceptional customer experience, there's a chance that a mystery shopper from a company like Realty Based Group played a part in making it possible.